The Australian sugarcane industry is worth more than $2 billion annually. It is the lifeblood of regional communities from Grafton in New South Wales to Mossman in far north Queensland. To support this vibrant, innovative and world-leading industry, research is delivered through the industry's declared body for research, Sugar Research Australia, or SRA.
I'm Danielle Skorke and I'm a Senior Researcher with Sugar Research Australia. I guess my main role with SRA is understanding the key agronomic issues affecting the productivity, profitability and sustainability of the wet tropic sugar industry, and identifying key knowledge gaps for which we can develop and deliver a program of works to help address some of those key agronomic issues.
So SRA has been breeding varieties for the Australian sugar industry since 1926, so it's really a part of the SRA history, doing research for the Australian sugar industry, and it really is a core activity of the work that SRA does for the sugar industry.
My name is Belinda Billing. I work with SRA as the Principal Researcher for Water Quality. My job is to connect the farmers to the research to help them improve that understanding and also to help them to implement those different practices on farm.
Okay, so I'm Emily Fios and I'm a weed agronomist with Sugar Research. I do research on weed management, so I actually do work with chemical management and non-chemical weed management. And I assess the efficacy of some herbicides to see how efficient they are to kill different types of weeds.
SRA provides research, development and adoption programs to improve the productivity, profitability and sustainability of sugarcane growers and millers. SRA is both a research funder and a research provider. We fund research at a range of leading research institutions and undertake research through our team of eminent research scientists and support staff. As part of this, SRA operates research stations in 10 locations.
My focus is mainly on improving nitrogen use efficiency. So largely my office is based outside in the sugarcane fields, collecting whether that be soil or plant tissue samples, measuring biomass, harvesting trials and reapplying treatments. But it's also a good mix of office work.
Our objective in the breeding program is to produce more productive, more profitable varieties for the sugar industry, whether that's through improving yield, sugar content or disease resistance. That's our main aim.
Our research stretches from the lab to the field to the mill.
I'm very fortunate that I get to work with a great group of people, not only within SRA, but the sugar industry in general. So whether that's growers, advisors, millers, agribusiness, other research collaborators, and build relationships with them to help drive on-farm practice change.
There are a few aspects of this particular job that I find rewarding. I guess here at Moringa, we're in a unique situation where we can see the whole pipeline from conception with the crossing operations all the way through to commercial release. And then one very rewarding part is watching the growers adopt and successfully grow a variety that you've produced and released to the industry.
I find that connecting to farmers really rewarding and fun. They're fun guys, and then bringing together that with a bit of science makes it also challenging.
We are an industry-owned company focused on the needs of our investors. Our values are teamwork, accountability, innovation and investor satisfaction.
I'm very conscious of the research I'm involved in, delivering practical outcomes and new knowledge that whether it's a grower or an advisor can take away a message and either implement that new knowledge on farm or change their farming practices to, I guess, improve their farming business and also the impact that they're potentially having on the environment.